Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have Cathead Biscuits, a country go-to. That's right, this dish is a country favorite. Here are the ingredients. Super simple, pause it if you have to. But either way, you're just gonna see that this is so easy to make. You will not believe it. Let's go, guys. Alright, anybody that knows me knows I cannot bake for my life. That's right, I could not bake if I had to save myself. That's right. So what do? This is the one thing I can bake. Go ahead, get you some baking powder, add it in there, and then make a well. As you see me doing right now, this is super important. Take a frozen stick of butter or a very cold stick of butter and grate this into your flour. Trust me, this is super important to Cathead Biscuits. You have to have all of your ingredients super cold. That's right, you do not want room temperature ingredients. Alright, after you do that, you're going to get an egg-shaped, roughly 3 tablespoons of Crisco. Roll it into a ball and drop it in there, and then use your best utensils, your fingers, and give this a good mixing. Mix up all that butter and lard into the flour, and you'll see, guys, it's going to do something amazing. Once again, make that well. Why? Because you're coming in with 2 cups of cold, that's right, cold buttermilk. That is the key. I'm telling you, keep your ingredients cold, and you're going to see this is going to be so easy to make. Give it a good stir and get a spatula. Slowly mix this in. You're going to see it start to come all together. It's going to be a little sticky, so you can add a little extra flour if you have to. Add in a little bit of salt, and then use your hands and start mixing. That's right. See, it was so sticky, I had to get some more flour. So go ahead and just mix that all together. All right, now that is ready to go, drop it onto a cutting board, and you're just going to cut this into 4 sections to make them a little more manageable. This recipe will make anywhere from 6 to 8 good-sized Cathead biscuits. Trust me, they are huge. So yeah, all right, as you can see here, I cut it into 4s. Then I took each section and sliced that into 2. So just get it in there. It's sticky. Now, bam, right onto a skillet. That's right. See that? Just throw them in there. Nothing major, nothing fancy about it. Super simple. Just get them all in there, round balls, just making sure they can have room to get in there. Like you can see me right here, I had to slide them around to make room for one more. Besides the simplicity of this dish, what makes these biscuits different than others are their size. All right, throw these in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes and take a look at that. I told you guys, they are huge. Take these out. Go ahead and cut you up some knobs of butter and put them on top and bake it for an additional 5 minutes. And look at this. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing.